for this. I am the longest serving person after Robert Sobukwe in solitary confinement. I live in CMAX, not for everyone. I live solitary by myself. I see no human being for the past 3 years. And that is purely based on an accusation. There's no facts. I have not defended myself. And the respondents stand on the ground that I was sentenced. I do not challenge that I was sentenced. But I challenge the validness of that warrant. And I challenge it in the Bloemfontein court, not in this court. This court is to challenge, do I not have presumption of innocence? And do I not qualify to be innocent until proven guilty? The responsibility to prove beyond reasonable doubt is with the respondent and the state that I am guilty. And that has not been proven, but I have been treated as such. There are even judges that have made accusation to say that I am guilty of escape in transfer applications. Now you question yourself that would there be a fair trial in the circumstances? And do we say that because I am I'm convicted of rape and murder, I don't deserve a fair trial? I don't deserve a fair proceeding as required and guaranteed by the Constitution? Because that is the actual challenge here. The challenge is not that the respondents can put me in prison. I have no challenge in being in prison. But the challenge I just want an opportunity to state my facts. And in that process, be able to argue. Because my medical file has been attached here in this court by the state. But they only chose, and I don't have access. They do not want to give me an opportunity to make copies of that medical file and be able to give it to this court. But the court would see that since I have arrived from the 13th till today, I've lost 36 Ks in solitary confinement. I speak to no one. I only see people when I'm here. And it's overwhelming. But you have to chin up. Because at the end of the day, if you don't stand up for yourself in this country, politicians are going to run over you.